down and climb the western ridges, pulling shadows from the sage. 39 hard miles away, like another weathered page. The air stood still beneath the sun. Heat shimmered off the stone. The aspen's green ovals pretended there was a breeze of their own. The water bottle drank down hot, sued only for a while. Some thirst run deeper than the body and keep dried mile by mile. I'm back in the Colorado furnace, where the mountains test your soul, where beauty waits beyond the struggle and the fire makes you whole. The wind smells sweet with sage in summer, the hawks drift high and free. Out here the heat burns everything away except what I'm meant to be. Old ranch fences cross the valleys, horses watch without a sound. Sheep like scattered bits of cloud graze a high and open ground. A mule deer slip between the sage, thunder gathered far away. Snow still crown the distant summits on this blazing summer day. Nothing but another mile. The sun gives nothing free. Every climb strips something from you you never meant to leave. The water cools a weary traveler, but only for a time. These mountains wake a deeper thirst no river satisfies. I'm back in the Colorado furnace, where the daylight tries your will, but the fire never owns the mountain, it only crowns a hill. Then the western sky turns amber, long blue shadows start to rub. The cool comes drifting through the sage as the day gives up the sun. The breeze returns to stir the aspens, healing everything it finds. The furnace keeps no final word, the evening does every time. So I'll gladly face tomorrow's fire and every hard-earned climb, because mercy walks these mountains when dusk is born in time.